And so going back to the marketing thing, your marketing for your home inspection business looked very different than what it looks like now for a home inspector. So what would you suggest for marketing your home inspection business in this digital age?
Well, you need a website. You absolutely need a website. I take my wife out every Friday night for dinner or an event or music or something, and I visit the website first. Like if it was a movie, we're going to a movie, I'm going to the website and watching a preview. I don't go to a burger joint until I see what it looks like on the website. So maybe there are successful companies out there that don't have a website. I don't know them. I don't even hire a plumber that doesn't have a website.
Right.
I don't do anything without a website. Is basically like it's your marketing that anyone can see to confirm that you're alive, right, and that you're certified and that you have the services that I'm looking for.
Right.
And that's what a website does. So I would get a website, and then at InternetCheat, the way I help home inspectors in their business is I look at their website and to see if they are communicating any kind of value. You want to, in business, you want to communicate the reason why you should be hired instead of the other person. So it should be unique.
Right.
And you should be proposing this value to this potential client. So it's called a unique value proposition, a UVP. Unique websites hold and communicate these unique value propositions, these unique, different, special type of reasons why you should be hired instead of anybody else. And that's what a website does. It communicates all these reasons why you should be hired. And what a home inspector should do almost immediately after joining InternetCheat and getting trained and learning about home inspection is start working on their marketing and developing a website. Because when you develop a website, you're forced to do a mental exercise about why I should be hired. Why should I be hired? Because I'm a home inspector? There's 10,000 other home inspectors. Because I'm licensed? Everyone else is holding a license. Oh, because I have a logo. Maybe I'm certified. That's pretty good, but what about the other certified home inspectors? What makes you different from all the rest, right? And if you have a website, you're going to work on that. You're going to work on not just being trained and certified, but how do you market the real reason why I should hire you? There's a place in Raleigh. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and it has a really good burger. It's at the Oak Restaurant. You can look it up. It's a $20 burger. Wow. It's a $20 burger.
Right.
Okay. Oak has a website that communicates to me the value of buying this burger. And I am so convinced I'm willing to pull out $20 and give them $20 of my hard-earned money for that burger because they're the best burger in town. That's what they communicated to me. That's what a home inspector must do. Home inspector must figure out a way to communicate that they're the best burger in town. If they're the best home inspector in town, they can demand higher prices and they can make more money. And that website is really important.